Paresh Mistry is asking that given the prolonged pandemic and the fact that it may take another 6 months for vaccines to be mass produced, is there a likelihood of liquidity challenges re-emerging? Is it advisable to park money in debt market funds, given the equity market is volatile? Yes, it could be 6 months, it could be 9 months, it could be 3 months. I don't know, and it could linger because we never expected it to linger the way it is. So, and we still have a lot of things which we can only guess. We can't really be sure of how it will pan out. So I would say that be little wary of this. But you should have a plan which is independent of what happens to the environment, because we have absolutely no control on the environment, but we have a reasonable control on what happens to our money when we need the money. There will be money which you don't need for 5-10 years, and there will be a part of money, or you will have your estimates of the money which you need every month, the money that you are likely to need in next 2-3 years. Keep that money in fixed income, and the money which you should always have handy so that you have a nice sleep. And that is called the contingency fund or the emergency fund. And you are the best judge. You can only do the best estimation of that. So, and if you have this plan, nothing else matters, because after that, if it takes 6 months or whether it takes 1.5 years, it doesn't matter. Then about your long-term allocation, should you be fully invested in equity? No. You should have, every long-term investor should also have some fixed income allocation, whether it be 10%, 20%, 30%. And if you are really getting concerned about it, maybe 10, 20, 30 can actually become 15, 25, 35 to fixed income. This is a long-term portfolio. So you can tweak it a little bit, but don't try to act in a huff. Don't try to, get out of equity and then you will try and time it. You will get it wrong. You will be caught on the wrong foot, and it will be extremely disappointing. We have come across, mails, in the helpline 2 weeks back, we had a question where somebody had exited sold all his equity funds in a hurry, and then he was regretting it, and now after you get out and you get it wrong, then you have deep regret, and then you are thrown out of the market. And you will be scared to get out of it again. You will have deep regret once you buy it again after 30% gain or 40% gain. So you end up selling low and buying high, which is a disastrous thing. And that can be dealt only with this plan in your mind and a discipline to implement it.